Hi friends, in this video I'm showing you how to generate a list of random numbers in Python language using the random module. How to generate a list of random numbers. We have to import the random module, import random. Then we use the sample function from random module for generating a list of random numbers between a specific range. For that, first of all, I am assigning rand list equal to random dot sample function. We are using sample function here. Sample within parentheses we use range of random numbers and we specify a range here 100 to 300. The random numbers are in between 100 and 300. Then specify the number of random numbers need to be created. For that we use 10. 10 number of random numbers are created in this list and then print rand list. Okay. By executing this code, we get 10 random numbers and the random numbers are in between 100 and 300. If we re-execute this code, we get another set of 10 random numbers 241, 383, like that, and if we execute one more time, we get another set of random numbers. And here we use the variable rand list for storing the random numbers between this range, and if we check the type of rand list variable, we get print type of rand list. What will we get? Type of this variable is list, class list. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you understand.